Hello guys, welcome again to Disha Study. In this session, we will do 30 previous year questions from the Computer and IT subject which asked in the previous SSC examination conducted from 2010 onwards to 2023. And this is the 15th part of this series, and the link of this playlist you will find in the description box, right? So let us start with the question. First is, which of the following keyboard shortcuts can be used to indent paragraphs in an MS Word document? Your A option is Ctrl plus M, B option is Alt plus I, C option is Alt plus T, and the last option is Ctrl plus I. So the right answer is option A, that is Ctrl plus M. Ctrl plus M is used to indent the paragraphs in MS Word. And yes, in this session, in this video, you will only find the questions from the MS Word. Okay. Next question is, which among the following statements is or are true? First statement is the 18-point font size is approximately 0.5 inches in MS Word, and the second statement is in MS Word there cannot be more than 24-point space in a paragraph in MS Word. Here are the four codes. So the correct one is the only option 2, that is in MS Word there cannot be more than 24-point space in paragraph in MS Word. अगर आपने प्रीवियस पार्ट को देखा होगा तो वहां पर हमने इस पॉइंट को डिस्कस किया था, फर्स्ट पॉइंट को, दैट इज कि जो 36 पॉइंट फॉन्ट साइज होता है वो होता है 0.5 इंच के बराबर, ओके, नॉट 18 पॉइंट फॉन्ट साइज. अगर 36 पॉइंट फॉन्ट साइज 0.5 इंच के बराबर हुआ तो 18 पॉइंट किसके बराबर हुआ? 0.25 इंच के बराबर, ओके. So that's why first statement is the incorrect. So now the next question is, state whether the following statements related to MS Word are true or false. First statement is, when you open a new document, new file in MS Word, by default it has landscape orientation. And the second statement is, when you open a new file in MS Word, by default it has a portrait orientation. So here are the four codes. So the correct one is the option A, that is 1 false, 2 true. It means in MS Word when you open a new file, so वो by default जो है portrait orientation में open होती है. So that's why 1 is the false and second statement is the true. Okay. Now the next question is, which of the following appears as a part of the editing command group within a home menu in recent versions of MS Word such as Word 2016? Your A option is replace, B option is font color, C option is format painter, and D option is change case. Right answer is option D, change case. Next question is, which of the following is not a valid change case option in MS Word? A option is lowercase, B option is Pascal case, C option is uppercase, and D option is toggle case. So right answer is the option B, that is Pascal case is not a valid change case option in MS Word. Basically there are 5 change case option in MS Word. वो है lower case, upper case, toggle case, capitalize each word, and sentence case. Okay. Now the next question is, in MS Word which of the following keyboard shortcut should be used to align a paragraph in the center? A option is Ctrl plus J, B option is Ctrl plus C, C option is Alt plus C, and D option is Ctrl plus E. अगर आपने जो है प्रीवियस पार्ट देखा होगा इस सीरीज का, सो आपको काफी हेल्प मिल रही होगी गाइस इन क्वेश्चंस को करने में, और इजी भी लग रहे होंगे. तो क्योंकि काफी क्वेश्चन जो है वहां पर मतलब कुछ चीजें जो है वहां पर डिस्कस हुई थी, उन क्वेश्चंस में रिपीट हुई थी. तो इसका क्वेश्चन आएगा फॉर ऑप्शन डी इज द राइट आंसर, दैट इज Ctrl plus E. फॉर द सेंटर अलाइनमेंट शॉर्टकट की इज Ctrl plus E. Next question is, which of the following features is used to type very small letters or numbers just above the line of text? A option is subscript, B option is superscript, C option is strike through, D option is format painter. Right answer is option B, that is superscript. Next question is, which of the following keyboard shortcut to cut selected text in MS Word? A option is Alt plus Ctrl plus C, B option is Ctrl plus C, C option is Ctrl plus X, and D option is Alt plus X. So very easy to cut up selected text. Shortcut key is Ctrl plus X. So option C is the right answer. Next question is, which of the following statements is or are false? First statement is, in MS Word the same paragraph can have both left as well as right alignment. Second statement is, in MS Word a paragraph is created by pressing Ctrl plus Enter key. Okay, here are the four codes. So the correct one is the option C, that is both 1 and 2 statements are the false. यहाँ पर अच्छे से देख लीजिएगा, false statement के बारे में पूछा गया है. So ये दोनों ही statement क्या हैं? Incorrect हैं. Okay, क्योंकि at a one time आप एक तरह के alignment जो है अप्लाई कर सकते हैं पैराग्राफ के ऊपर, और अगर हम पैराग्राफ क्रिएट करने की बात करें जो सेकंड स्टेटमेंट में की गई है यहाँ पर, तो उसके लिए कंट्रोल प्लस एंटर प्रेस करना नहीं होता है, ओनली प्रेस द एंटर की. ओके. So next question is, which of the following view options in MS Word shows the contents of a document as bulleted point? A option is draft, B is outline, C option is print layout, and D option is web layout. So right answer is option B, outline. Next question is, state whether the following statements are true or false. First statement is, in MS Word all paragraphs can have right alignment. Second is, in MS Word all paragraphs cannot have the same hanging position. So the right code is the option A, that is first statement is true and the second statement is the false. Next question is, which of the following statements about the MS Word table is false? A option is, alternate cells of a row or column cannot be merged. B option is, two or more consecutive cells of a column can be merged. C option is, two or more consecutive cells of a row can be merged. And D option is, first and the last cells of a table can be merged. So the false statement is the option D, that is the first and the last cell of a table can be merged. It means first and the last cell of a table cannot be, उनको merge नहीं किया जा सकता. Next question is, which of the following does not appear as a part of the clipboard command group under the home menu in recent versions of MS Word such as MS Word 2016? Your A option is format painter, B is paste, C option is cut, and D option is show and hide. So right answer is option D, that is show and hide option. Next question is, when you open a new file in the newer version of MS Word such as MS Word 2016, the default page margin is set as A option is moderate, B option is mirrored, C option is narrow, and D option is normal. Right answer is option D, normal. Next question is, state whether the following statements related to MS Word are true or false. First statement is, a document file can have both bulleted and numbered list. Second is, the page margins in a MS Word document can be customized. So the correct option is the option D, that is 1 true and 2 true. It means both these statements are the true. Okay. Next question is, which of the following keyboard shortcut is equivalent to Ctrl plus S to save and open file in MS Word? Your A option is Ctrl plus F5, B option is Shift plus F5, C option is Ctrl plus F12, and D option is Shift plus F12. So right answer is option D, that is Shift plus F12. Next question is, which of the following does not appear as a part of the paragraph command group within the home menu in recent versions of MS Word such as Word 2016? A option is numbering, B option is multi-label list, C option is change case, and D option is bullets. So right answer is option C, that is change case. Next question is, what is the keyboard shortcut to perform paste operation in MS Word? तो वेरी इजी, जो पेस्ट करने के लिए शॉर्टकट की होती है वो होती है कंट्रोल प्लस वी. सो ऑप्शन बी इज द राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग माउस क्लिक्स कैन बी यूज्ड टू सिलेक्ट अ पैराग्राफ इन MS Word? योर ए ऑप्शन इज डबल लेफ्ट क्लिक्स, बी ऑप्शन इज सिंगल राइट क्लिक्स, सी ऑप्शन इज सिंगल लेफ्ट क्लिक्स, एंड डी ऑप्शन इज ट्रिपल लेफ्ट क्लिक्स. So right answer is option D, that is triple left clicks. Next question is, what is the smallest number of rows that a table in MS Word can have? A option is 1, B option is 8, C option is 2, and D option is 4. So right answer is option A, that is 1. अगर हम टेबल की बात करें, so minimum number of rows and columns it should be 1. Next question is, which of the following statement is or are true? First statement is, in MS Word, a word can have both lowercase and uppercase letter. Second is, in MS Word, the first word of a paragraph cannot be made bold. So the correct option is the option A, that is only 1. It means first statement is the correct, second one is the incorrect, because हम जो first word है किसी भी paragraph का उसको bold कर सकते हैं. Okay. Next question is, state whether the given statement is true or false. First statement is, in MS Word, landscape is a recognized page orientation option. Second statement is, in MS Word, portrait is a recognized page margin option. So there are 4 codes. Correct one is the option C, that is first statement is true and second is false, because landscape and portrait, these both are the page orientation option. Okay, not page margin, right? Next is, which among the following statements is false about table in MS Word? Your A option is, a table can have only one row and one column. B option is a table can have only one row. C option is a table cannot have columns in indivisible number. And D option is a table can have only one column. So the first statement is the option C, that is a table cannot have columns in indivisible number. Next question is, which of the following view options in MS Word shows how your web page will appear as a document? Your A option is outline, B option is web layout, C option is print layout, and D option is read mode. So right answer is option B, that is web layout. Next question is, in the recent editions of MS Word such as Word 2016, which among the following is shown as a part of the font group in home menu? Your A option is paste, B option is show and hide, C option is change case, and D option is format painter. So right answer is option C, that is change case. Next question is, when you select a middle cell of a table in MS Word document and press Shift plus Tab, then what happens? Your A option is the content to the right of the current table is selected, B option is the content to the left of the current cell is selected, C option is the content of the current cell is removed, and D option is the content in the below cell of the current cell is selected. So the right answer is option B, that is the content to the left of the current cell is selected. Okay. Next question is, which among the following statement is or are correct? First statement is the default alignment of text in MS Word is left. Second statement is each paragraph in MS Word ends with a paragraph mark which appears like a backward P. So the correct option is option B, that is 1 and 2 both. It means both these statements are the correct with respect to MS Word. Okay. Next question is, in MS Word there is a font size drop down box. What is the biggest font size that can be selected using this drop down box? So your A option is 72, B option is 68, C option is 32, D option is 96. So the correct answer is the option A, that is 72. So if we talk in terms of a drop down box, so the minimum font size that can be selected is 8 and the maximum font size that can be selected from here is the 72. Next question is, which among the following features is used to write very small letters or numbers below the text line? Your A option is subscript, B option is strike through, C option is format painter, यहाँ पर format painter आना था, and last option is superscript. So right answer is option A, that is subscript. For example, X2. Next question is, which of the following appears as a part of the paragraph command group in the home menu in recent versions of MS Word such as Word 2016? Your A option is copy, B option is replace, C option is bullets, and D option is format painter. So right answer is option C, that is bullets. So that's it guys. I hope that you love the content. So please like the video, and for more videos stay tuned with this channel, or you can also visit the description box. Here I'll provided the link of all the playlists, right? So we'll meet soon in the next session guys. Till then, bye bye and take care.